How to clear history on MX Player app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear history on MX Player easily and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to MX Player, this is the home page. Now go to the top corner and click on those three lines right here. Go down and click on local player settings. Now all what you have to do is click on this general option. After you click on general, scroll down until you find clear history option. Click on it and click OK from here. As you can see, you will be able to clear all playback and search history from here after you click OK. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.